Now, forewarned weather with Exact Track 4D.
Quite a few little upgrades coming to Comerica Park. Kind of makes you think spring, too.
Do you think LED lights ever are better than the old ones?
I mean, they say they are. Yeah,
I don't know.
They say.
Oh, you think they are? You're a believer.
Listen, I just know that's a long honey-do list. If you get somebody that's
40 days, all those light bulbs. That's right.
Fair enough.
The one over my sink's been out for 2 years.
Yeah.
All right, we've got mostly cloudy skies out there tonight in Detroit, a beautiful shot of the downtown skyline, but we have a busy weather day ahead of us tomorrow. Right now it's calm and dry, 36 degrees, mid-30s in Howell, 34 in Pontiac, and 35 in Adrian. All right, let's start with the rain because that's our next immediate impact here in Metro Detroit. It will come during the morning rush hour. It is dry right now and some rain trying to make it across the Ohio border, but just not quite getting there. Most of this rain is going to move to the northeast, but it's the next batch that's a little bit farther to the south and west. Just now moving through parts of central Indiana and southern Illinois. We're worried about this one area right here. It's a little bit heavier. It's down around Evansville. So there is some heavy rain with this system. It's a very deep area of low pressure, carries with it a lot of moisture. So here's what we're expecting. Right at the height of the morning rush hour, the heaviest rain will fall up to 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch, possibly even an hour. Now, it doesn't last very long. In fact, by noon tomorrow, it's out of here, leaving us in what's called a dry slot. So it will dry out midday, maybe even get a little sunshine in here. Then clouds are going to fill back in, and then lighter showers will arrive later on in the afternoon. That'll all be gone, it looks like, by tomorrow night. We could get as much as an inch of rain, in fact, a little more than that in Mount Clemens, just under an inch in Pontiac, and an inch of rain in Ann Arbor. If we were dealing with snow and we got this kind of rain, it would be well over a foot. Wind advisory, that's the next issue. So after we get through the rain in the morning, around 10 or 11 o'clock, we'll start to see the winds pick up. A wind advisory goes into effect at 10 a.m. It lasts all day long. It does not include St. Clair and Sanilac counties and areas up into the Thumb, but it does include most of Metro Detroit. The strongest winds are going to be to the south. Not really an issue for the morning commute, but watch the time here. By Thursday at 11 a.m., a south-southwesterly flow gets things going in Monroe with gusts at about 34 miles per hour. Lesser as you head north, but watch what happens in the afternoon. By 2 o'clock, everywhere is getting 30, 40, maybe even a 50-mile-per-hour gust, especially south of Detroit. We are in a marginal risk for severe weather, not the kind of thunderstorms we get in the summertime. They're not convective, but they do carry some heavy rain, but also some high winds, and the wind might be just strong enough to trigger an isolated warning, but not a really big severe weather event. It's just something that the Storm Prediction Center wanted us to be aware of and put us in that marginal risk. 34 degrees, lot to talk about. So 34 tonight, rain moves in around 3 in the morning. It will be the heaviest during the morning commute. Then in the afternoon, oh, didn't even get to mention this. How about breaking a record high tomorrow? 57 degrees, our record is 56. But really what you'll be talking about is just how much rain we got in the morning and how windy it is in the afternoon. If we can get a period of drying in those temps in the 50s, we might salvage a couple of hours tomorrow with decent weather. Quieter for Friday and cooler, but not cold. 40 degrees is the air behind this front. A little colder for Saturday, 36 degrees. Sunday, 44, right back to 50 next week. There's a lot going on, so we'll have continuing coverage. We'll have hourly updates as they warrant tomorrow on Local 4 Plus. And then check our new Appcast on the Forewarned Weather app. We'll be updating that constantly throughout the day. And also don't forget to send us your My Picks. You can find it right on the Forewarned Weather app. If you find something interesting tomorrow and you want to take a picture of it, we would love to see it, and you can upload it to the Forewarned Weather app.
Funny, it's going to be almost 60 degrees, but we're going to be paying attention to other things.
I know, right at the end, it's like, oh, by the way, it's going to be almost 60.
Incredible.
Crazy.